Bean sprouts are one of the vegetables most eaten by Asian people. We love them for their crunchy and freshness. Stir-frying them with marinated beef makes a marvelous typical Chinese dish. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by cutting 300 grams of beef into slices. Marinate them with ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix all. And let's eat during the preparation of the other ingredients. Cut an onion into chunks. Chop 1 garlic clove. And cut 1 spring onion into sections. Preheat a pan over high heat. When it's hot, put 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put the marinated beef. Spread it well. Let it cook for 15 seconds. Flip the pieces and leave them for another 15 seconds. Then stir for 30 seconds. Keep them aside. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. When it's hot, put the onion and the garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the bean sprouts. Stir for 20 seconds. Then add the beef, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of sugar. Stir for 10 seconds. Finally add the spring onion, briefly stir and cut the fire. Enjoy this stir-fried beef with bean sprouts with a bowl of jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The flavor of the dish is very appetizing, and by eating it, we feel the taste of high fire in the marinated beef. It is delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.